one thing you must do to overcome anxiety, Sadhguru. Just do a simple sadhana, all of you. If you can't do any other yoga, this much. You will see half your anxiety will start setting down because assembly of conflict is there are to the mind. Videos for search Dwarkadhish Electric and Power Tools, Fatehnagar. All type of spare parts. So don't look for answer elsewhere. It is just that your own physiology and your physical pattern are not taking instruction from you. So you said so many things. I try you. Whatever these being word are floating all over, about surrendering to it, about letting it go, about. Not for one person has such a thing work. Ever not. Has it I am. You have anxiety, try to let it go. Does it go? Even flu doesn't go. Laughter, yes or no? Participate. Yeah. Sadhguru. Even a simple cold does not go to say go. Does it go? Laughter. So let's not get into this fanciful states of surrendering. These are all words. Nobody knows what is surrender because when it happens, you will not know it has happened. You can't do it. I surrender. How is that possible? How is that possible? So leaving those things essentially, as I said, you have not read the user manual of how this works. You need to pay attention. The system is made in such a way if you hold your head like. If you do like this, it's work another way. If you do like that, it will work another day. If it was a simple thing, you could have just beaten it into shape with hammer. You too spoke at it. It's a fundamentally complex machine. One needs to pay a certain level of traction to be for what is designed for. Otherwise, it's go itself messed up. No, there may be many factors. There may to sociologist factor. They may you various things, but do not ascribe your problem to any those things. The important thing is just this. You are not able to have your mind the way you want it. That's the only problem you have, isn't it? The memory you ascribe it. I am like this because my father. I am like this because my grandfather's generation were not okay. You are finished. Because we can't change those guys, no. Yes? You can't choose a different father or a different grandfather, no. It's over. But you can transform this on. You must understand still it doesn't matter. You have anxiety disorder. Still if you put a piece of carrot, this is an intelligent here which can transform. The mean every day a new body is being manufactured within in parts, a new human being in manufactured. How in source of certain is new human being constantly being tried. If you take little charge of that, you can create an entire new philosophical and psychological. This happened to us some time ago. Last year we were trekking in. I was in tent. I was in doing some work. Another person was cutting an apple. You know when this proxenus needs this day. So the other person around say to this person, it is very sharp knife, be careful, be careful. It irritates me be a bit. I look like this gesture because he is grown man. It's child different. Then we have to watch how we use to knife. It's a full grown man and a knife is supposed to be sharp. Sharp. It is not sharp. Where do you call it is a knife? Where do you call? So I ignore it. Continued to work. Another. It is very sharp knife. Be careful. Said come. He is full grown man. Leave him alone. This stupid knife can't handle. It's not some earth moving machinery or spacecraft of that he does to not how to handle. It's knife. He said, no Sadhguru. It's a very sharp knife. For full video, please subscribe our channel Dhyan Yogi. Video is sponsored by Dwarkadhish Electric and Power Tools, Fatehnagar. इस इलेक्ट्रिकल सभी प्रकार की 134 R22 एवं बटन गैस होलसेल रेट पर कार्टून लेने पर फ्रेश छूट और LG की ओरिजिनल 134 आ गई है। द्वारिकाधीश इलेक्ट्रिकल चंगेड़ी रोड फतेहनगर जयपुर सिलाई के सामने सभी प्रकार के स्प्रिंग वॉशिंग मशीन बेल्ट मोटर आर्मेचर एवं वॉशिंग मशीन बेल्ट होलसेल रेट पर